The following message is transmitted at request of the City of Baltimare Police Department, Maryland State Police, and the Maryland Office of Emergency Management. At 7:30 a.m. Eastern Equestrian Time, a CSX train carrying toxic chemicals derailed at the intersections of 7th Street and Crystal Avenue. If you live in a 4-county radius of downtown Baltimare, you are urged to head indoors. This toxic waste is deadly to all creatures in its path. Maryland State Police and National Guard are currently on standby if the situation gets worse. You're watching Baltimare TV. This channel is going to give you latest updates on this emergency.